Since I got the EOS Arrow, I have been getting a lot of questions like, will your pictures change? Is it going to be massive? The quality and everything? My answer is no. A lot of persons out there that book you for a job, they always feel like when you give them a nice picture, they'll be like, wow, you have a nice camera. No, it's not really the camera. It's not really the camera. Getting a good camera is good. My main reason of upgrading to the EOS Arrow is because that is the camera I've been wanting for a very long time, even before I bought the D750. Now, I'm not a Nikon shooter. I'm not really a Nikon shooter. I have been shooting Canon all my life. That Nikon was the first Nikon I bought. I bought it because I saw a particular thing that I like about the dynamic range and everything that I like that made me buy that camera. But at the same time, you cannot joke with the color science that a Canon camera has. So I bought this particular camera just because I love that color science and also the autofocus. So I did not buy the camera because magic will happen in my pictures. No. Anybody that has been putting it in his mind that once you buy a big camera, magic will happen, you fail. You fail because it's not really so. There are a lot of persons that have been using these cameras for like 4, 5, 6 years. No, it's not up to 6 years. 3 to 1 year now that have been using it, but you will not see difference in their pictures because it's not really about just having the camera. It's more about having the camera, also knowing how to use it and understanding it, understanding light and practicing hard. Because if you don't, person when even they use iPhone go shoot better pictures than you. There are people that has high-end cameras that when you look at their pictures, you will not believe that is the camera they have. It's because they really don't understand how to use it. So what I want to say is, take your time, practice, and you will not regret it. My name is Geetee, and I'll see you in my next video.